students, good morning to you. How are you doing? This is Teacher Queen. We are back again to our YouTube channel, and I'm pleading with you, please make sure you tune in. Make sure you come around, watch Teacher Queen, and study with Teacher Queen. This class is for those in primary 5. Please get your agricultural notebook close, get your pen, your pencil, and whatever writing material that you need for this class around so that we can study together. Alright, today we're going to look at breeds of animals. Remember, we've been talking about so many things since we entered into our livestock section. So today we're going to talk about breeds of animals. Now, first of all, what do you think that is a breed? If you don't want to call it breed, what do you call it? You call it species, type. Now, in other subjects, in other courses, we can say they are what types of animals. But as an agricultural student, as a great farmer, a great scientist, you don't call type of animal the way other people do. You call them what? Breeds of animal. So that when someone hears you say, I know this breed of animal, the person will say, oh wow, this is really an agricultural student. So today we want to look at the breeds of animals. And first, we say that this is another general need of livestock production. Remember, we talked about other needs like housing, feeds. Now we're talking about what? The breeds of animals. Now we're saying that there are different breeds of animals, and the differences in the breeds are in the following ways. How do you know different breeds of animals? How do you know different kinds of animals? Alright, they are being determined, they are being known according to their sizes, according to their colors, the shape of their body, and their possessions. Alright, that is how you'll be able to know the breeds of your animal. Now, when you see chicken, like chicken has different breeds. Chicken has different breeds. There are some chickens that you see, we call them broiler, right? Now these ones, they belong to a particular kind of breed. They belong to a particular kind of setting. These are the kind of settings. Their color might be white. They have long mouth. They have yellowish point on their head, and they grow very fast. Now, this is what makes them what? Different from other chickens. I don't know if you're understanding me. So now, we say that how you know different breeds of animals is through their colors, their body shape, their size, and their possessions. How they act. Now, when you come to a class, you can be able to classify students according to their performance, their complexions, their language, and their attitudes, their characters. That is breeds for you. Okay, let's say, for example, the breed of cattle with horns are different from the breed of cattle without horns. Alright? That is one example that we have. Another example though, because we've talked about chickens. Now, the breed of animals with horns are quite different from the breed of animals without horns. Okay, also, they differ in color, shape, and sizes. We've talked about that. Now, individual animals within a group or species that share some characteristics which are not found in other members of the group are not of the same breed. Alright. Now, when we bring a cattle, we say or we bring a group of cattle, we say these are cattle, right? And all of them are in this class. And someone comes in and tell you, please, Teresa, help us separate, or Maria or Ikea, help us separate these animals according to their breeds. What will you do? How can you separate them? First, you look at their sizes. Second, you look at their shape. Third, you look at their color. And fourth, you look at their horns. Now there are some cattle that may be crying. There are some cattle that may be crying. There are some cattle, they have different sounds. Now from that too, you can be able to identify and say this one and this one can be the same species. They can be of the same breed. Alright? I hope you're understanding me. Please, if you don't understand anything, make sure you ask Teacher Queen any question and I will attend to it. Alright? Okay, now let's look at qualities of a good livestock. You know what is livestock? I've told you before. Anywhere you hear livestock, don't be scared to tell the person. The meaning of livestock is farm animals. When we're talking about livestock, we talk about animals, nothing more. Livestock cannot be crops. They are always what? Animals. So make sure you tell anybody at your convenience, comfortably tell the person, livestock means animals. Period. Alright. Now we say that a good livestock is the one that grows fast. Now, when I was teaching those in primary 6 this particular topic last year, I used one example for them. I told them that when I was in the village with my mom, mommy used to buy a chicken. Now this chicken stayed with us for 8 months, eating, drinking water. Every day we were buying feed for this chicken. For 8 months, still the chicken was still like this. No flesh. One day my mom angrily killed that chicken. There was no flesh. There was nothing. When we cooked that chicken, you needed to see, it did not go quarter for the whole family. Now the next month, the next farming season, mommy had to buy another species, another breed of chicken and put in the cage. Now within 3 months, this new set of chickens, if you see them, they were looking so big. They were looking so big that we were selling each for a big amount of money. And we got all that we spent on them. So now, if you go to the market and see these 2 chickens, will you want to buy the one that will not grow fast? No, because it does not have the quality of a good livestock. So first of all, you need to go for a livestock, an animal that will grow what? Fast. That is 1. 2, your animals should be healthy. There are some animals from the day you buy them, they're always like this. They are sick. They are sick every day. You see, you will spend money in buying medicine, medications every day. Your vet doctor will always visit your home. Why? Because your animals are always what? Sick. So you need to go for the healthy ones. Very, very important. Now the 3rd quality is the ones that are not easily attacked by diseases. Alright? So please try as much as possible to make sure that when you're going for your livestock, you go for the best. Alright, thank you students. And please make sure that you tune into our YouTube channel. Make sure that you always study with Teacher Queen every day. Very, very important. And always do your homework. Study, copy your notes, do your homework, and return them to school for marking and corrections. Teacher Queen loves you all, and please make sure that you're studying. Very, very important. No matter how much you study, make sure you add your books to your timetable.